Okay, so just how you would add your information to this, because I'm going to do this with you guys, and then I'm also going to do it with the students. So you'll notice if you scroll all the way, I put all of the graduate students that are in our program into this Padlet, and I'm hoping that I can get some of them to get all of them to put some information down. So for you guys, it would be helpful if you can add your information in the way that you do that. You're going to hit this little plus sign right here, and you can type in whatever title you want. I've put some information, where did you graduate, and what do you like to do for fun. You'll notice for the for the grad students, I've asked them a couple of questions. I want them to add a picture because I want to see what they look like. And this is going to be a reference for all of you guys as well. Their area of interest, so rec, exercise science, and so forth. What do they do for fun? And then also when they plan to graduate. So hopefully we can kind of use this as a resource. My goal is to ultimately put this on in every single class so that you have access, they have access, they know who their peers are, and they know how to perhaps get in touch with us. So if you guys could fill this in on this Padlet, that would be great. Thank you.